I ready dread, me ready again for them to beat back biters chant on Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back biters chant on Eden. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lord, who always fight against their friends, Lordy, Lordy. And I don't wanna be like them heathen who always try to mislead Jaja children. Oh, no, Jaja the Baji. Oh, no, Lordy be Lordy. How can some people say that God don't exist, Lord? What kind of hypocritical mockery is this? Tell me now, people, when they're the same one who sold us the Bible, Jaman, then why are they so contrary? I don't know. Rasta no know, no. I don't know. Rasta no. So ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to whip them back by the chant down the Eden. How can some people say they don't love Israel? Are they imposters or Jezebel? Tell me now, people, out of their same mouth these words were spoken, that Haile Selassie is the king of Israel. Rasta, I don't know. Make them a one, so I don't know. Down in the party, so ready again for them to beat back by the child down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back by the child down Eden. Oh yeah. Because I'm ready, boy. Me ready again, dread. Yes, I'm ready, Lord. Me ready for them, dread. Oh no. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lord. Who always fight against them. Oh no, yeah. Don't let the hypocritical system of the Babylon lead you astray today. You've gotta know yourself. Gotta know yourself. Just give thanks and praise to the Most High, Rastafari, Selassie, every time. And grow your locks. Show the world that you're a dreadlocks. Don't let the Eden lead you astray. Grow your naughty dreadlocks. Grow your locks. Give thanks unto Jaja. Remember you must pray to for right. Selassie I now. Grow your locks. Show the world you are a dreadlocks. Don't let the Eden lead you astray. Some must smoke crack. You mustn't mix up in a that. You are a dreadlock. Set a good example for the youth, it's true. Grow your locks. You know that I'm a dreadlock. Your daddy's saying you shouldn't play with me, but it's alright. Grow your locks. Your father is a poor chap. He don't want you dealing with me. But listen, he's a rumhead. He is a walking dead. I am a living man who's got a lot of things to put through. Grow your locks. Hold on, this a dread in the smoke crack. I'm a don't drink no white rum. I want the world to know that. Grow your locks.
Me no gone away. Blender still they are, teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone away. Blender still they are, chase with the wickeds and vampire. Me no gone away. Blender still they are, out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone away. then that still they are teaching the youth them roots and culture. In the business from 19 oh long, 15 years now I am still going strong. Ain't gonna change, I'll never be a switcher. You can count on me, Everton bender. Sometimes you see me putting up some posters, new talents I am trying to discover, because I know the youth are the future. Help me chase these modern vultures. Then that still they are teaching the youth them roots and culture. We no gone away. Then that still they are chase with the wicked and vampire. We no gone away. Then that still they are out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone away. Then that still they are teaching the youth them roots and culture. Make a trot in a El Salvador. When me come forward, things wouldn't like before. It's like them want put reggae to the floor. Ubaru, they are help it up once more. Yes, I know reggae expose them system. You can stay there with your ism and schism. This time around, we won't be your victim. Boy, I hope, boy, I hope. I mean, don't run away. Then that still they are teaching the youth them roots and culture. We no gone away. Then that still they are chase for the wicked and vampire. We no gone away. Then that still they are out of me mouth wise words me a utter. No gone away. Then that still they are teaching the youth them roots and culture. I have to give thanks to the Father. That's my request, I will never retire. To me he's like no other. That's why I praise him to be around much longer. Then that still they are teaching the youths them roots and culture. Me no gone away. Then that still they are chase with the wicked and vampire. Me no gone away. Then that still they are out of me mouth wise words me a utter. Gone away. Then that still they are teaching the youths them roots and culture.
In the street, shooting at each other. None of them don't want to retreat. None don't want to surrender. It's a wicked and terrible sight to see. Brothers killing brothers. All of us is one big family. I'm begging you to cool down your temper. You know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. You know hear what me say, why not go put you nowhere? No, you know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. You know hear what me say, why not go put you nowhere? No, I can hear the sound of a gun. I see people running for rescue. No escape, no matter where they run. Everywhere under curfew. It's only equal rights and justice can't stop this. Yeah, it's only equality and justice we have to practice. Listen, you know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. You know hear when he say, why not go put you nowhere? No, you know hear what the Rasta man say, you know be bother with no war down there. And you know hear when me say, why not go put you nowhere? So go away. Everyone must give and to get respect, no matter who you are. Everyone must give and to get respect. The only way to seize the world. It could be me, it could be you. What I'm saying, I know it's true. It could be my friend or my enemy. Let us face reality. And you know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. And you know hear when me say, why not go put you nowhere? No, and you know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. And you know hear when me say, why not go put you nowhere? Listen, it a run redder than red, dreader than dread. Too much innocent bloodshed. It a run redder than red, dreader than dread. Now I've seen police and bad boys in the street shooting at each other. None of them don't want to retreat. None don't want to surrender. It's a wicked and terrible sight to see. Brothers killing brothers. All of us is one big family. I'm begging you to cool down your temper. And you know hear what the Rasta man say you not be bother with no war down there. And you know hear when me say, why not go put you nowhere? No, and you know hear say,
leave out on the slum and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is I home. And I say, any day from now, I didn't know. Calling on Rastaman, no more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. From England straight to America, even down here in the valley of Japasica. Japan straight over to China, fire upon the all slave master. In a Babylon there's a disaster. Well, I can't get no food nor no water. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, say Babylon done. Like a falling leaf that fall into the stream one day. Well, I say, so is a Babylon. Selassie gonna wash them away. I say, and for all the heedless things they've done, now them gonna get paid. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I promise to strengthen the weak and give sight to the blind. Don't matter what their oppressors do, in this year I'm gonna give them time. Rasta is here to conquer all trials and tribulation. So pack your little grip and come. Let's leave out of Babylon. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Life's nothing but an illusion in this world of confusion, war and separation, dismantling this nation. And because of that, certain people turn informer. Yes, sell out their brethren and sisters for less than $1. They will do anything just to get some pay. I know that many careless Ethiopian has gone astray. But go tell them, say, Rastaman, no work with the DEA. No way, no Scotland Yard KGB, neither the CIA. Me say, go tell them, say, Rastaman, no work with the DEA. No way, no Scotland Yard KGB, neither the CIA. Cause when you think it's a peace and a safety, then a sudden destruction, and there must be a reaction. The result is destruction. Now no need to be looking so cold. A Rastaman cannot be bought nor sold. Rastaman, no work with the DEA. No way, no Scotland Yard KGB, neither the CIA. Me say go tell them, say me say Rastaman, no work with the DEA. No way, no Scotland Yard KGB, neither the CIA. Now they will lower you into doing crime and make Jack be the forest thing from your mind. No need to fulfill their plan. You can't sing King Alpha song in a strange land. Rastaman, no work with the DEA. No way, no Scotland Yard KGB, neither the CIA. They say go tell them, say me say Rastaman, no work with the DEA.
Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near for us to go where we belong. Hear what the Rastaman say now, no sinner can attempt again. Hear what the Iron Man say now, no sinner can attempt the gate. Oh no, it is a glorious day, and I want to lay in Zion. lion will come your way. Wicked people have feedback way. Clean hearts alone can come this way. We are step it out of Babylon, yadding into Mount Zion. We can't take no more frustration. We want to go home. Time is drawing near, far for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near, far for us to go where we belong. Got to be there for the Gideon. 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 They're bombing over here. They're bombing over there. Polluting the atmosphere. Leave the people living in fear. Time is drawing near, far for us to go where we belong. Time is drawing near, far for us to go where we belong.
Advantage, Babylon them have us at advantage. 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 Me can't walk as me like, me can't talk as me like, me can't sing as me like, no, me can't do as me like. Advantage, Babylon them have us at advantage. Advantage, Babylon them have us at advantage. But just the other night, I was coming from a party, and here comes a jeep, drove down in front of me. As quick as it stepped, some men jump out, asking me some questions of things I know not about. Because I could not answer, they knocked me in my mouth. Suddenly I hear some people crying out. Advantage, Babylon them have us at advantage, yeah. 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 If they now love me, oh gosh, love me truly. You hear me now, love me. Love me truly. Come on girl, come and kiss and caress me. Do the things that brings back memory of all the things we used to do. Now little girl, it's just me and you, so love me. Oh Lord, love me truly. You hear me now, love me. Love me truly. Hear this. I may not be a sugar daddy, but I've got something to make you irie. I may not have enough money, but I've got the loving you need plenty. So love me, oh Lord. Love me truly. You hear me now, love me. Until eternity. Until eternity. La-di la-di la-di, la-di la-di la-di. Come on and love me. Love me too, woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-lee. Come on and love me. Love me too, woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-woo-lee. Love me. Oh gosh, love me truly. Love me. Oh, alright, love me truly.
wanna talk to your mama and daddy, see what they can do for me. Can't take this pain and the misery, so girl, won't you show me some sympathy and love me? Oh Lord, love me truly. Do you remember the times that we used to share? I want you come right on over, come tell me that you care. I am only a pauper, I'm not a millionaire, but I've got sweet, sweet loving we both can share. So come on over, baby, and love me. Oh Lord, she loves me now. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now.
And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto the Father. A long time I man want this little daughter.
She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now.
After me talk to the mother and the father, send love letters with the brothers and sisters. Them a talk how I can get the daughter, but see they know one not the dreadlocks take over.
She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. I hope and I pray that she would surrender to me, 'cause she was in love, but maybe too blind to see this. Yet people keep spreading a whole lot of rumors on me. I can't get consent from her mama nor daddy,
but I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Got to give thanks and praise unto the Father. A long time I man want this little daughter.
She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now.
After me talk to the deacon and the elder, expressing my love for Malvina. Them a talk about me, I feel come back tomorrow. Gotta settle down and get married. But see they know, said the whole of them sorry.
She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now. She loves me now. Lord, she loves me now. Said I hope and I pray that she would surrender to me, 'cause she was in love, but maybe too blind to see. But people keep on spreading a whole lot of rumors on me. I just can't get consent from her mama nor daddy. She loves me now. Whoa, she loves me now. She loves me now. Woo, she loves me now.
I'm not a king, oh baby, with no riches to call my own, but all I have is love to give you, girl. I am poor. You don't want love,
She says she want to be free. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Yeah. She love her ruby, silver, diamonds and pearl. Affection for a man comes second or third. Somehow the light in her house gone dim. She gone from around hustling. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. If that's what you want, have it your way. Yeah, I'm letting you go. See you some other day. Cause memories don't live like people. They go away and come back to you. Instead of me mixing up in wrong, I let you pass along. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Material girl, living a material world, searching to find what may never unfold. Yes. Material girl, material girl, material girl. Oh yeah, yeah. I love this little girl, she was so pretty. I tried all my best to make her happy.
Friday evening come, yeah. All what that on them mind is the buggle and some. Oh gosh, woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening. Oh, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. But I'm sorry to say I don't get no pay. Can't find a boss, it seems like a mass. Couldn't even find fare for each year. Me have to jump on a bus and it cause a fuss. Enough excitement, enough embarrassment. Conductor take me up and some people start laugh. Woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. Oh gosh, I say woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. Oh, no bother you go grumble or get miserable. Satisfied with what you have, because I'm an go and rob. No, it's a bit too red eye. You can't satisfy watching your friends and company, and every day you come and hug me. Woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. Whoa, I say woman is a trouble to a man on Friday evening come. Yeah, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. Whoa, nobody long out your cheek. You no money this week. I want you to tell me if you're here for me or for my money. I'm very poor and I just can't do no more. I'm not a millionaire. The liquor when me have, it must have a share. Woman is a trouble to a man when Friday evening come. Whoa, all what they on them mind is a bag of lump sum. Oh gosh, I say woman is
Rastafari. Lord boy, na 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 na. Yeah. Rastafari. Na 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 na. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I face a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I man still stand strong, giving thanks and praise to the Almighty One, and looking forward to reach Mount Zion. And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. They said I don't have no rights in a Babylon, because I don't know how the West was won. Neither I can't change their plan. The West is controlled by the Ku Klux Klan. That's why I say, Zion, I'm coming home to you. Teach the youths them right, but not teach them wrong. Jackal up on the youths, cause the youths are strong. Look to Africa, that I feel you mama land. And down Africa, where you find Mount Zion. And I man say Zion, I'm coming home to you. Say holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I care not what the people of this world want to say, neither what the people of this world want to do. Many are called, but the chosen are few. What you gonna do when Jaja call on you? I man say Zion, I'm coming home to you. Oh, holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I've faced a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I must still stand strong. Still giving praise to the Almighty One, and looking forward to reach Mount Zion. And I man say Zion, I'm coming home to you. The bingy man him say Zion, I'm coming home to you.
Bring the coachy, come. Come make we slap it till it bun. Yes, bring the coachy, come. I make me slap it till it bun. What a pound of ice chance on the board. My brethren round the corner, I gauge the chalice. Cut up the herb, and me slightly damp it. Clean out the coachy, and me set it with it. Put in the herb, I man don't ram it. Call me brethren Bobo, and me beg him bless it. And yes, blender light it. Hey, bring the coachy, come and make we bun down road. Bring the coachy, come and make we bun down road. Fire make it bun over. Fire make it bun, yes, the wicked have to fall. So bring the coachy, come. I make me slap it till it bun. Yeah. Went into the country to check Bongo Joe. He was sipping his chalice in a cloud of smoke. Police are raid and around through him, yeah. Never run back over, natty dread, never choke. He said, cool down your temper. Officer, you are dealing with a sufferer. He's only praising the Father, yeah. So bring the coachy, come. Come make me slap it till it bundle. Yes, bring the coachy, come. Come make me slap it till it bun. I love Sensimania. It keep me far from the doctor. Yeah. They used to watch me grandmother, and when she boil it on the fire. Oh, now I'm a grown-up man. I get to understand it never harm no one. It make you do the right. It never make you do no wrong. So bring the coachy, come and make we bun down road. Bring the coachy, come and make we bun down road. If a fire make it bun over. If a water make it come, make it jump over. Bring the coachy, come.
Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the fight.
Time getting harder, still we striving for better. And we not gonna stop till the battle is won and we get justice. Cause if you lose your stand, anyone will try to push you over and over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Don't be discouraged by the pitfalls and their worries. Pain endure for one night, but joy cometh in the morning. And if you lose your soul, there's nothing to gain. It will be over. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. Lift up your head and hold it up high. We know that we'll win the prize. It's reality time again. It's culture time again. I'm the son of a father who was sent. Culture and reality I must defend, because we don't want no slackness. Back away with the gimmicks. I believe in positive lyrics, so ease off with your folly tricks. I'm like a teacher in the school I teach. I'm like a preacher in the church I preach. Anywhere I'm performing, just try and reach. In the arena or on the beach, yeah. It's reality time again. It's culture time again. I'm the son of a father who was sent. Culture and reality I must defend. I love to do it proper, because the battle is getting hotter. Who know better? Do better. Don't you know that later will be greater? It's reality time again. It's culture time again. I'm the son of a father who was sent. Culture and reality I must defend. Oh yeah. Reality. Reality time. Reality. Oh yeah. You have to spend a little time and meditate. Spend a little time and originate. Prove it to the world that you are great. But it's one thing you know, that you must have some faith. It's reality time again. It's culture time again. I'm the son of a father who was sent. Culture and reality I must defend, because I'm tired of the slackness. We don't want no gimmicks. I believe in you'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and cry. Put your shoulders to the wheel, and your goal you will achieve. That's the way to reach the top. I know that the time is rough. You know that the life is tough, but you can't afford to give up now. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we'll try. Don't sit down there and cry. Some will try to make it, others will try to break it, but you can't afford to give up now. There are others who make it, while others come and take it. Just remember, lift up your head and hold so high. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. We can make it if we try. Don't sit down there and cry. Look into yourself, mankind. I know that you are not blind to see that the youth them are the future. Just we got to try your best, cause if it should come to the test, I know that justice may do the rest. You'll make it if you try. Don't sit down there and sigh. Why? When it's my time, it's my time. So you got to let me shine. Don't fight me down. No. When it's my time, it's not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't fight me down. No. Sometimes we work so hard to earn a few things in life. Here comes Mr. Pop Down, want to see us struggle in life. But I chew them not know who Jah bless no man curse, and who
Jah curse. I know man bless, cause it's just my time, not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No. When it's my time, it's not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No. All the bad things you do will make you suffering in life. Just like you plant a seed and it cannot grow. That means your answer nature disagree. You need some blessing from the Almighty. No, it's my time, not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. No, when it's my time, it's not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight me down. When the seed to sow, you don't see them around. Only when it's weeping time, you see them come along. Them must see things say, a superstar man get him gone, boy, boy. You got to work hard, my friend. Don't you play around, cause it's just my time, not your time. So you got to let me shine. Don't you fight him down. No, when it's your time, it's your time.
You be, you bang, be, you be, you bang, then. You be, you bang, then. It's a hot, sweet property in hot again. Oh, because me have a many friends and me we treat them well. But never do with them my secret tell. Cause when my friends become my foe, all over the world my story will go so hot. Sweet property is hot again. Hey, everybody sing. You be, you bang, be you be, you bang then. You be, bang, be dang dang. I just hot. Sweet property is hot again. Lord, send up for them the text that the poco did done. But no a cocoa you never exit the land. But put a little pop up on the fire, make it warm, and come forward like a raging storm. I just hot. Sweet property is hot again. Whoa, and everybody sing. You be, you bang, be you be, you bang then. You be, bang, the dang dang. A property lad a god. Hot him hot again. Whoa, because I tell them once, I tell them twice, I tell them twice, the Lord of Jesus Christ. I tell them four, then tell them five. Property Lord of God, come to keep dance all alive. One more time I sing, dooby bang then, be do bang then. You be, you bang then. I just hot, sweet property is hot again. Whoa, everybody sing, you be, you bang then. You be, you bang boom boom. Don't be ding dang, di dang dang. I just hot, sweet property is hot again. Whoa, send up for them the check say that the crocodile gone. Me know a crocodile you never exit the lawn. Me put a little cup up on the fire, make you warm, and come forward like a raging storm. I just hot, sweet property is hot again. Whoa, everybody sing. You be, you bang, be you dance. You be, you bang then. Hey, you be, you bang, the dang dang.
You run gone left you old gal. Say you find a new gal. You run gone left you old gal. Say you find a new gal. Tony, it's better to be faithful than to be ungrateful. Lord Peter, you think that she would be sorry now the girl is getting married? Don't you burn? Ooh, you know. Don't you burn your bridges down? Even talking to you. Don't you burn? Ooh, you know. Don't you burn your bridges down? Get it in your mind. Don't you burn your bridges behind you. You might wanna turn and to come back again. The bridge you burned today, you may need it again. Cause tomorrow might bring sorrow. Don't you burn? Ooh, you know. Don't you burn your bridges down? Even talking to you. Don't you burn? Ooh, you know. Don't you burn your bridges down? Get it in your You run down, left your old friends.
Said you find some new friends. Run gone left you old friends. Said you find some new friends. Whoa, massa. We still lay up on the corner. I drink with sugar and water. Massa. We love the roots and culture. We now run left Jamaica. Don't you burn. Ooh, yeah, don't you burn your bridges down. Don't you burn. Ooh, yeah, don't you burn your bridges down. Get it in, yeah. Don't you burn your bridges behind you. You might wanna turn and come back again. The bridge you burn today, you may need it again. 'Cause tomorrow might bring sorrow. Don't you burn. Ooh, yeah, don't you burn your bridges down. Even talking to you. Don't you burn. Ooh, yeah, don't you burn your bridges down. Get it in, yeah. You run and left your old man. Say you find your misery.
Someone spreading rumors on me. I wonder who could it be? Someone have their eyes on me, saying things that they never see. But stop scandalizing my name for the things that I know not about. Why is it I'm the one to be blamed? You watch me going in and you watch me coming out. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire. But I'm burning hot like a fire. I have no secret for no one to keep, so you can say what you wanna say. You never see me playing hide and seek. I try to live in a positive way. Can't you see that I'm innocent, but you're trying to find me guilty? I will never lose my confidence, so don't disrespect my integrity. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire who want me to suffer under the pressure. It must be an informer. It must be a backbiter. It must be a vampire, but I'm burning hot like a fire. I've been watching you, watching me. I'm with your misery, your misery. I've been watching you, watching me. If I call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. If I call you only God, whoa. If you a papa, yeah. The people of the society, them a deal with partiality. If you is poor and poverty, they don't show no mercy. As I see them a call the police, cry out the murder and a cry out for thief. And no matter if you're even innocent, them no want you to come near them residents, so them a call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them a call you only God, yeah. If you a papa, yeah. Some live on the flat, some live up on the hill. Them wouldn't come to the ghetto and give a $10 bill. Them pitiless and them merciless. So how those people could ever be blessed? Them a call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them a call you only God, whoa. If you a papa, yeah. They don't care what you eat. They don't business where you sleep. If you live in a house or you live on the street, them a call you only God, yeah. If you a sufferer, whoa. Them a call you only God, whoa. If you a papa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Them a call you only God. But you we a suffer, whoa.
Highly I King Selassie, I first. Yeah, whatever. These are the words of the philosopher. David's son was the king in Jerusalem. You spend your life working, laboring, and what do you have to show for it? Generation come, generation goes, and the world stays just the same. The sun still rises and it still goes down. Yes, we really back to where it must start all over again. The wind blows south, the wind blows north, round and back again. All the rivers flow in the sea, but the sea is not yet full. The water return to where the river begins and start all over again, again and again. Yeah, well, these are the words of the philosopher. David's son was the king in Jerusalem. You spend your life working, laboring, and what do you have to show for him? He's machine and buckler. Without him there is no other. Oh no. That's why I have to praise him for the rest of my life. Strength in this generation, oh Father, and your power to those who yet to come. Without you we are skin on top of a bone. In this world of confusion, this population has gone wrong. We get to sing a new song to guide us all day long. We got to praise ya for the rest of our days. Got to give thanks to the Father. Oh yeah, He's my shield and buckler. Without Him there is no other. I have to praise Him for the rest of my life. Once I couldn't afford a job to put food on my table. My life was still with ups and downs. Nothing was not stable. Then Jah walked into my life, turned my darkness into light. I will never leave you, Jah. I will praise you every day of my life. Got to give thanks to the Father. Oh yeah, He's my shield and buckler. Without you, Jah, there's no other. Oh no, and a man united. Oh, what a good feeling to see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot, no bus, and no stone, no fling. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot in the spine, and no shot in the head. Oh, what a good feeling. To see all nations uniting. It's better to have a good name than a bad name. Yeah. Cause in the time of trouble, you're gonna get it to you double. Some of them say sorrow better than laughter. Yeah. For by the sadness of your countenance, your heart will make stronger. All the labor of a man is for his mouth, and yet the appetite is not yet full. Oh, what a good feeling to see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shot, no bus, and no stone, no fling. Oh, what a good feeling. No more shot in a spine, and no shot in a head. Oh, what a good feeling. To see all nations uniting. It's better to sit down and reason, cause everything have a season. If there is a problem, let's discuss it now. Yeah, yeah. There is an evil which I see under the sun, living among mankind, coming to destroy your soul. So you better be strong in your mind. Be wise and hold a firm meditation. Don't get caught in a them corruption. Just remember, love and hate could never be friends. Stick with love to the end. All the labor of a man is for his mouth, and yet the appetite is not yet full, boy. Oh, what a good feeling to see man and man uniting again. Oh, what a good feeling. No shut, no bus, and no stone.
Dip on me yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come around me out of me yard. Me dip on me yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come around me out of me yard. Me say them want me big catch me afraid. Them have the angle and me have the beard. When me right, them a tell me say me wrong, like them want come mash up me repetition. But all them a do, all them a say, foolish rules and regulation I don't obey. Them call themselves the superior, and them say we are the inferior public yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. Me dip on me yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. It might a sound kinda cute, but all the truth, it will be an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Them a capturer, them a murderer, them a exploiter and backbiter on the yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me out of me yard. Me dip on me yard, because Babylon system is a fraud. Me dip on me yard, them want come run me from me yard. Oh.
How do you do, Miss Good Looking from Mountain View? From the moment I bless my eyes on you, I wanna say I do. Well, roses are red and violets are blue, and sugar is a sweet but not sweet like you. You're pretty like a flower in the morning, wet up with the morning dew. Well, I'll climb in the mountain, darling, I'll swim the deep blue sea, and I'll take the greatest chance, my love, just to have you only for me. Missing how do you do, how do you do, Miss Pretty Pretty from Mountain View? From the moment I bless my eyes on you, I wanna say I do. Now mama don't vex, and daddy starts screw, and granny gonna country gonna go work voodoo. But no matter what they say, no matter what they do, I will still love you. Yes, every man must have a darling, your darling to answer to your calling. If you no mix up in the bookerin, then you happy have your sexy darling. And when you get your pretty darling, you turn round, call her sugar dumpling. You keep her and care her and give her everything, cause this little loving from way down within. How do you do, how do you do, Miss Good Looking from Mountain View? From the moment I bless my eyes on you, I wanna say I do. Well, roses are red and violets are blue, and sugar is a sweet but not sweet like you. You're pretty like a flower in the morning, wet up with the morning dew. You may not be from a rich family, but baby, that's nothing to me. This feeling I am feeling, baby girl, it sent me wheeling, and I think that is the key. How do you do, how do you do, Miss Good Looking from Mountain View? The moment I bless my eyes on you, I wanna say I do. Well, mama get the vex, and daddy start screw, and a granny gonna country gonna go work voodoo. But no matter what they say, no matter what they do, I'll always love you. I'll always love you. I'll climb on the mountain, girl, and I'll swim understood. Have you only for me? You see, every man must have a darling. You darling to answer to your calling. If you no mix up in the buggering, then you have to have your sexy darling. Morning, noon or evening. And when you get your sexy darling, you turn round, call her sugar dumpling. You kiss her and love her and give her everything. Close up the door that no kind of get it out.
Say she is leaving. She told me she got to go. Now my heart is grieving. Because I don't want to let her go out. Thinking about the good times we share together under the moonlight, where we heard each other. You know, we were meant to be together, my baby. Our love was getting stronger. She's taking it too far. You've taken it too far. Like we never had a quarrel before. Now she pack her things and walk out through that door. Say she is leaving. She told me she got to go. Now my heart is grieving. Because I don't want to let her go out. Sometimes I keep thinking to myself, where I've gone wrong. Someone must have told her I have another woman. She was my first priority. Throughout my success, she always inspired me. Whatever I'm doing, she always supported me. Oh my baby, can't you see it? Say she is leaving. She told me she got to go. Now my heart is grieving.
Strange world I and I are living in. That is a question I give you to answer. Strange world I and I are living in. That is a question I give you to answer. It's not the world I and I are living in. It's the people who live in it. Some will eat and drink with you, then behind them sus up on you. Some will talk to you today. Them a on a bowl, them a knife a choke. I don't know, I really don't know why some people stay so shallow. Shallow, 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 shallow. Man to man is so unjust. You don't even know who to trust. And if night should turn to day, a lots of people would run away. There's a lots of things going on, and I can't explain. Oh, Jah, what a shame to see the people living in state. Shallow, 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 shallow. Some man say you and them are friends, and will stick with you to the end. As something goes wrong, you don't see them again. I know that the road is steep. In your knees you can't get weak. We not go bow, we not go sell out. We not go bow for them water, and I drink them sorrow. Shallow, shallow, shallow,
and some of them evil. What are they searching for? Do they know what they're after? Some people here to sell themselves for silver and gold. Some a come and a go like them clean. Inna them heart say them cool and mean. When your back is against the wall, 7 times twice say 7 times fall. When a wicked man fall, no rise from me matter. No rise from me matter. Boy, do you know the meaning of life? Why you creating these wars and strife? In your big house and your pretty car, you never know it wouldn't take you too far. What does it profit you to gain the world and to lose your soul? Get your youths asleep out the door, and the time is so cold. Some a come and a go like them clean. Inna them hearts say them cool and mean. When your back is against the wall, 7 times rise, you say 7 times fall. When a wicked man fall, no rise from me matter. No rise from me matter. The solution, my friend, is love and unity. Love and unity will bring prosperity. Don't beat your brother down, don't live like crap in a barrel. Love I would like to see until eternity. Some a come and a go like them clean. Inna them hearts and them cool and mean. When your back is against the wall, 7 times rise, 7 times fall. When a wicked man fall, no rise from me matter. No rise from me matter. I travel all over the world, meeting people. Some of them are good, and some of them evil. What are they searching for? Do they know what they're after? Some people here to sell themselves for silver and gold. Some a come and a go like them clean. Inna them hearts say them cool and mean. When your back is against the wall, 7 times rise, you say 7 times fall. When a wicked man fall, no rise from me matter. No rise from me matter. The youths are dying.
If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. You certainly never waste my time. If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. I just can't get you out of my mind. Hey, now you passed the test. You did it at your best. So would you come along? Our love is so strong. You treat me in such a way. It's more than words can say. Come on now, baby. Let's go home and play. If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. You certainly never waste my time. If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. I just can't get you out of my mind. Girl, I miss you so much. I'm longing for your tender touch. I can't resist. Oh baby girl, I love like this. When you're not around, it's like I'm falling down. Baby, I'm restless without you in my nest. If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. You certainly never waste my time. If you don't mind, would you come over and spend some time? The love that you gave me was so divine. I just can't get you off my mind. Worries on my mind. Oh, 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 oh.
Every day I get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, but down here is not a place for me, because too much brutalized to my structure, and I'm afraid of the iniquity worker. Some of them think they can make the rain fall, but Jaja go and lick them with a lightning ball. Flash lightning and make it on the road, but the Jaja have everything under control. Every day I get up is the same to see. The fuss and the fighting continually. I don't know where I would want to be, is your friend can be your worst enemy. Come with them crosses and misery. Oh, we. Whoa. Shoop, 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 it up, top. Shoop, 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 it up, top. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Shoop, 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 it up, top. Shoop, 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 it up, top.
Give me the good girlie. Whoa, yo. Give me the good sensei. Yeah. Shanty pass me the suribo. Make me suri up another load. I feel blaze the pipe before we touch the road. On the street there's a heavy load. Shanty pass me the suribo. Make you na suri up another load. I feel blaze the pipe before we touch the road. On the street there's a heavy load. Babylon them up against the sensei. It's the sensei take me through my misery. When I was down and out and in distress, I take a sip of the cup. Then I bring in them quack and coke plenty, trying to destroy the community. Youth and youth, don't touch it, only the good quality. Yes, Shanty pass me the suribo. Let me suri up another load. I feel blaze the pipe before we touch the road. On the street there's a heavy load. Shanty pass me the suribo. Let you na suri up another load. I feel blaze the pipe before we touch the road. On the street there's a heavy load. Sit down on my veranda, smoking the good curly. Here comes the police officer. Smoke up me good fancy.
Them a turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Oh yo, all we are gonna still a fling it in a dancehall style, all the while. Them a turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. All them a gone, we fling it in a dancehall style. Someone got to call commissioner of police. I'ma talk about we are disturbing the peace. But look how much war out in the Middle East. And no one knock out, they go tell them to cease. So them a turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Oh, all we are gonna still a fling it in a dancehall style, all the while. Turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Yeah. Me say all we are gonna, we are fling it in a dancehall style, all the while. Whether we play it high or low, that's the way dancehall music have to go. Some have satellite and video, but poor people don't have nowhere else to go. Oh, so them a turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Oh, we say all with them do, we fling it in a dancehall style, all the while. Turn down the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Oh, me say all them a do, we a dash it in a dancehall style, all the while. Why they're turning down the sound? You know now. Why they're turning down the sounds? I don't know. Tell me why they're turning down the sounds. I don't know. I don't know, no. But turn on the sound, but them can't kill the people, them vibes. Oh, cause all them a do is still a fling it in a dancehall style, all the while. And when a sound drop, another